You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names of Indian origin, Sanskrit, Indian given name, masculine, also sometimes feminine, meaning unique. It's a unique name indeed. The Indian pronunciation first, and then how it's pronounced in English. Ananya. In India, it's generally pronounced as Ananya. Now in English, similarly, it's generally pronounced as Ananya. Ananya, some may pronounce it as Ananya, but that's most generally incorrect. Let us know in the comments how you pronounce it, if you pronounce it Ananya or Ananya. Let us know, let everybody know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.